One of my posts just hit over 1.8 million views. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going through why one of my posts went viral on Instagram after definitely hitting the explore page since hitting 3,000 followers. Currently the account is sitting just over 4.1k followers, and from the last video just a couple of weeks ago we were sitting at around 2.6k followers. And as I previously mentioned in that video, my aim at that point in time was to still carry on doing the follow for follow method until we hit 3k followers on the account. That way it would be easier to hit the explore page on Instagram more often. Well, within a small matter of time we did eventually hit 3k followers, and I must admit, straight off the back, I didn't notice a massive change to my account and my engagement. I did see that some of my posts were hitting the explore page more often, but within the first couple of days I didn't notice anything that significant. That was until I started getting notifications from this one post. Back on the 3rd of January, so well over a month ago, I posted a reel from this clip from Iron Man 2 where it was just a small cameo of Elon Musk meeting Iron Man, and I did a really simple edit where I got pictures of Elon Musk edited as Iron Man, sort of implying in the reel that basically Elon Musk is Iron Man. At the time when I posted the reel, I didn't notice anything unordinary, and at the time I just got pretty average views, considering most of the views for my reels range between 1 to 15k, and I roughly gain anywhere between 200 and 1k likes. Now when I posted the reel I had roughly about 2k followers, and it wasn't until towards the end of January where we then hit 3k followers. Now with the majority of my posts I tend to hit the explore page more often with reels, and I think in general going forward the Instagram algorithm is pushing reels more often than anything else on the platform, and I think anyone can tell this just by scrolling through your feed. Every other post is a reel, and you can basically see a common trend of other social media platforms trying to replicate TikTok, not only with Instagram with reels but with shorts on YouTube, for example. Over the recent couple of years everyone is flooded to TikTok, and the rate that has been growing recently, companies like Facebook and Google want to be a part of it. Anyway, at this point in time it was towards the end of January, and I noticed I had a pretty decent amount of notifications compared to normal. Usually when one of my reels does hit the explore page, it hits the explore page so rapidly, and then there's sort of a cut-off point where the views become more gradual. But with this post it was so strange, and I'd never noticed anything like it before. It was almost as if every time I refreshed my phone I had a continuous 100 likes, to the point where the only notifications that I could see were coming all from that one post. And just across the span of those 3 days, my reach for that one post went over 1.8 million, of which also got over 360,000 likes. And as you can probably tell, this one post completely carried my account, to which is now over 4,000 followers. And in terms of how many followers I usually get, I average anywhere between 10 and 50 followers a day, and I understand that I could be getting more followers a day if I was really trying to be more active on it and posting every other hour, but I'm just trying to grow at the pace that I can manage it. And in terms of followers, I had one of my highest days in terms of how many followers I gained, which was around 345 followers just for the one day. Now for some accounts that just might be a normal day in terms of followers. With my account especially, 345 followers for one day is huge considering my following. But not only that, my plan with this account isn't really to grow rapidly, but overall with this post it was obviously really beneficial for my account and helped me gain a little bit of a larger audience in the short term. Now here's the question, why did this post do so well? Well, basically, to be transparent as possible, I'm no expert when it comes to growing an Instagram theme page. Like I said in my previous video, this is just an experiment to see if I can grow one, just to see if I can be successful with it by making it an extra source of income by growing an audience. What I'm trying to say is that I have no idea when it comes to beating the algorithm on Instagram. Obviously I have a rough idea and plan to what posts will probably do well, but overall I see myself as a beginner growing theme pages, so like I said, I'm no expert. However, I've come to terms with certain factors that I think why the post might have done well, but these factors are just a theory of mine. And it doesn't mean what I'm about to say is the blueprint to going viral on Instagram. It's just certain things that I've picked up on and basically my theory around it. These are basically the little things that I haven't done on my other reels that haven't done so well, and basically they're just my theories. First of all, this little clip is probably quite new to Instagram. A lot of things people tend to focus on Instagram is what content goes viral, and a lot of people then try to repost it. I know a lot of people have had success growing pages doing this by just reposting content that's proven to go viral, but I think for this case why I think it's new to Instagram is when I go through all the comments and a lot of people are confused of the video's existence, and a lot of people seem to be confused of the source of where the clip came from. Within the niche on Instagram being the finance niche, a lot of people are fans of Elon Musk, but because the clip was contained and was also about Iron Man, I had all these Marvel fanboys as well as Elon Musk fans sort of colliding rambling in the comments, coming up with theories, commenting things like, in the multiverse, Elon Musk exists as Iron Man. So with this post, I don't really think it's been seen that much. And I can also back this up with when I posted it to TikTok. Not only did the post also do quite well on TikTok, where now it has around 256,000 views, I saw similar reactions in the comments to people not realising that this clip exists. Even so be it that there might be diehard fans of Elon Musk or Iron Man, this clip seems to be somehow new and something that's probably not really been seen before, potentially. And I think also with this post, you could argue that it's quite unique to Instagram, because I made this post around a trend on TikTok by using a certain sound and also using the 3D effect on CapCut for the edit. There probably aren't any posts that are exact same as that on Instagram, from what I know anyway. So potentially with this, another reason why I might have done so well, probably because of its uniqueness on Instagram, and because it's not really been posted anywhere else before, that potentially might be why it's reached out to so many people. Overall, the point in this video is to get across the message, the fact that how powerful the Explore page can be to a small account, even of mine at the time. I mean, the fact that an account with just around 3k followers can reach over 1.8 million people just with the Explore page is insane. And that's why going forward, my aim is to really try get on the Explore page as much as possible. I've stopped completely with the follow for follow method, because now that I'm at this following, I don't need to continue with the follow for follow method, because as proven with that one post, I can gain more followers just through using the Explore page. My account is obviously still within its early stages of actually growing its audience, but at the same time, I'm not really looking for a grow quick method. Right now, I could easily go out and buy followers and have 10k followers tomorrow, but this is not something that I want to do. My strategy with this account is to basically grow my audience gradually over time. Even if I'm growing at a slower rate than some other accounts on Instagram, I don't really want to take loads of my time out of my day to focus on building this account. All I'm really focusing on is being consistent as possible and basically just posting regularly, whether it be on average between 1 to 3 times a day. Because by consistently growing my account, I realise how long it can take to actually grow an account on Instagram, to the point where you're actually getting a large audience that is engaging in majority of your posts. The last thing an audience probably wants to see on Instagram is just to see spammy posts. I'd much rather just grow at a gradual rate, just so I can limit the time that I'm actually having to put on it in the short term. And as I see, I'd rather focus spending a little bit amount of time every single day posting on the account, rather than spending hours and hours every day trying to gain as many followers as I can within the short term. Anyway, that's it for this video today. If you did enjoy the video and you like these types of videos, then please leave the like button blue down below. It'd really help me out quite a lot. Anyway, I'll see you lot in the next one. In a bit.